If you want to make some money over winter break, but you don't have a job, just come along. Let's go to Goodwill.
We are going to buy a piece of furniture, flip it, and sell it on Facebook Marketplace.
So a total change of plan. I didn't find the vanity that I was looking for, but I was still persistent on trying it. So I bought this. But the good thing about this is I don't have to paint it because I actually like the color. So I'm gonna clean it, post it, and hopefully sell it. We're gonna see how it goes. And it only costed me like 25 bucks, so it's not that bad. That means there's no extra cost. So I don't have to paint it, I don't have to do anything. Just wipe it down, clean it, detail it, sell it. So I brought it back. Now just cleaning it and taking pictures of it and selling it, hopefully. So the cleaning process is literally a Clorox sheet on there.